So first of all, thank you all the participants for attending this from US, from India, from all over the world. We have seen people from Turkey, from US, from Berkeley University also. There are people who have joined. Thanks a
Wow.
lot, everyone, and thanks a lot, especially Rohit. This is the just to let everyone know, he has been working around the clock just to make this webinar happen, and we had the dry run just yesterday. Thanks a lot, Rohit, for making this up. And just to let everyone know, he's right now super busy with some of his tasks with his company, and he making time for all of us, for students and for professionals like us. That's really commendable thing, and really appreciate, Rohit, for all your time. And I think you're feeling a lot sleepy, and after a year, so this has been taking it has taken us a year to reach to this level, because last year we released part one, and from then and till today we have been like talking almost every day. So for the participants, if you have to believe, me and Rohit have been talking almost every day to bring this webinar and all the concepts up to for you all. So thanks, Rohit. Thanks a lot, Rohit, for all the discussions and all the comments. And all the participants, I'll be sending you the recorded copy, and also a sheet where you can just request your free course, and I will be sending you the free course as well. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a good day, and Rohit, have a good night. Thank you.
All right, sir. Thank you.